Now in the second part of this video, we'll take about and I'll take another part, that is full-bodied money and credit money. Full-bodied money. This is full-bodied money and credit money. Okay, children. So in short, I would like to tell you that full-bodied money, that full-bodied money. Okay. In the description we'll see later on, but right now in short I'm telling you, this is money value. When we consider money value is equal to commodity value, is equal to commodity value of money. Okay. When money value is equal to commodity value of money means जो भी आपकी रुपये की वैल्यू है, ओके, उसके बराबर ही आपकी कोई भी वस्तु की वैल्यू है, ठीक है, वो दोनों इक्वल टू होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स फुल बॉडीड मनी. ओके. नाउ I'll take one example over here. ठीक है. Along the definition, I'll try to tell you, this way you can understand more easy way. So first of all, definition you see, full bodied money refers to money in terms of coins whose commodity value is equal to the value as when these are issued. Okay. When the money is issued, that time the value of money should be equal to the commodity value. Okay. The money value should be equal to commodity value. Even still it will be a little bit confuses. Now I am taking one example. For example, our rupee coin should I take another example? The market value of the silver contained in the coin was equal to rupees 1. Okay. The market value of a coin, silver coin, is rupees 1. But sometimes people thinking that the cost of silver is maximum, then people can convert this coin into silver form and they can sell in maximum price, but it is not so on. Okay, so a rupee coin during the British period in India was made of silver. Okay, during the British period, the coin was made in silver. Okay, so commodity value of this coin was equal to its money value at the time of its issuing. Okay, so that time the value of the coin was equal to the money value when it was the issuing. Okay, so the market value of the silver contained the cost or coin was equal to rupee 1, means not more than the commodity value should be equal to the commodity, otherwise people can convert in this coin in they can melt it and they can convert in other form and they can sell in the form of silver if the cost of silver is more than the value of money. So this is the condition, the value of money should be the equal to the commodity value. Okay, so this is the example. So you mind this, the money value should be equal to commodity of the value of money. This you can learn. Okay, now second, I am taking full bodied money we have done. Now this is credit money. Okay, now when we talking about the credit money, okay, so in credit money, in very short I would like to say the money value of coins and notes greater than commodity value of coins and notes. Understand? That means it refers to the that money of which money value is more than the commodity value. Okay, money value is more than what, the commodity value, more than the commodity value. I am writing again and again, my purpose that you should know and understand in easy way. Now one example I am taking. Now see here, money value should be more than commodity value. Okay, and in full bodied, money value should be equal to commodity value of money. This is the basic difference, you remember children. Okay, now see what is the market value of the metal, cost of metal in the market. Okay, that the rupees coin is made, that the rupee coin, it is coin is made of in India. ओके, इस मेटल से हम कॉइन बनाते हैं, ठीक है, मार्केट में उसका प्राइस कुछ भी होगा, ठीक है, एंड द डेफिनेशन वी हैव डन, मनी वैल्यू शुड बी द मोर देन कमोडिटी ऑफ द वैल्यू. ओके, सो नाउ सी, obviously must much lower that the money value much lower the money value, much lower the money value, okay, of the rupee coin, of the rupee coin. Okay, so the rupee coin value should be lower, much lower. Okay, like people would have melted, otherwise I write, otherwise people melted the coins and sold the metal in the market at a price greater than 1 rupee. Fine, I am repeating again, otherwise confusion will be there. What is the market value of the metal that the rupee coin is marked or made in the India? Okay, so market value of the metal which is converted in coins in India, so otherwise much lower that the money value of the rupee coin. So rupee coin value is much lower, otherwise people would have melted the coins. Otherwise people, what will they will do, they will melt the coins and sold the metal in the market, and they will sold the metal in the market and price greater than 1 rupees, जो कि 1 रुपी से ज़्यादा का मेटल अगर होगा तो. ओके, सो इन दिस पार्ट मनी वैल्यू इज़ मोर देन द कमोडिटी वैल्यू. सो मनी की वैल्यू यहाँ पर क्या होगी, मनी वैल्यू एज हैव रिटन, मनी वैल्यू इज़ मोर देन द कमोडिटी वैल्यू. तो मनी की जो वैल्यू होगी वो कमोडिटी की वैल्यू से ज़्यादा होगी. ठीक है, अदरवाइज़ लोग उस कॉइन को मेल्ट करके, अगर ज़्यादा रुपये का वो मेल्टेड हमारा जो मेटल है अगर वो कॉस्टली है, तो लोग कॉइन को मेल्ट करके उस मेटल के फॉर्म को सेल करेंगे ताकि ज़्यादा पैसे मिल सकें. फिर मनी की वैल्यू ख़त्म हो जाएगी. इसलिए मनी की वैल्यू हमेशा कमोडिटी की वैल्यू से ज़्यादा रहती है. ठीक है, लाइक हमारे पास 10 रुपीज़ के जो 1 रुपीज़ के जो 10 कॉइन्स हैं वो 10 रुपीज़ की वैल्यू होगी, लेकिन अगर आप उसे मेल्ट करो तो वो 10 रुपीज़ का नहीं बिकेगा. ओके, बिकॉज द सेम फॉर्मूला इज़ देयर, money value is more than the commodity value, money value is more than the commodity value. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and the rest of the part in part B I'll show.